Hello. I know you guys have been waiting for a version of Carol of the Bells to practice with. We have spent about 10 hours in the recording studio working on the backtrack that we're going to use for the program, and we're about 2/3 of the way done, so we're still not ready to get that copy to you, but for now we can practice with the YouTube version. Like I've said in class, it's a lot faster than we're going to do it. It's easy to get out of breath, and it's hard to keep up with the words at that speed. So just do the best that you can, and remember that it will be slower when we do it, and it will be more comfortable and easier. This video is going to be for the elementary school. I'm not going to be singing the solos. I'm just going to skip over those. I've been losing my voice today. Hopefully that won't happen in this video. But let's go ahead and get started. Solo 1. Ready, go. Ring Christmas bells merrily ring, tell all the world Jesus is King. Loudly proclaim with one accord the happy tale, welcome the Lord. Ring Christmas bells, sound far and near, the birthday of Jesus is here. Herald the news to old and young, tell it to all in every tongue. Come all ye people, join in the singing, repeat the story told by the ringing. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, merry, merry. I sing it down an octave. Oh, loudly proclaim with one accord. Throughout the earth tell the news, welcome the Lord. Another solo. Ready, go. Ring Christmas bells merrily ring, tell all the world Jesus is King. Loudly proclaim with one accord the happy tale, welcome the Lord. Ring Christmas bells, sound far and near, the birthday of Jesus is here. Herald the news to old and young, tell it to all in every tongue. Come all ye people, join in the singing, repeat the story told by the ringing. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Guitar part. Ring Christmas bells merrily ring, tell all the world Jesus is King. Loudly proclaim with one accord. Come all ye people, join in the singing, repeat the story told by the ringing. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, merry, merry. Ring Christmas bells merrily ring, tell all the world Jesus is King. Loudly proclaim with one accord the happy tale, welcome the Lord. Another solo. I ran out of breath there. Here we go. Okay. Hopefully this helps to give you something to practice with. And I can't wait till we get the backtrack so we don't have to be so rushed singing this. But at least you have something now. So thank you for practicing, and I'll see you in class. Bye.